Hi, my name is Ari. I'm KD9FCZ, and I took the ham radio basic course. Without the ham radio basic course, I was very lost with this Baofeng. And I looked through books, I looked through pamphlets, I looked through the website, and I was still lost that I almost gave up. I'm glad I did not. And I'm glad that I came to ham radio prep course. Jim, the lead instructor, virtually taught me how to program my Baofeng and how to, what a Simplex meant. And therefore, I went a little bit higher on my Baofeng, and I bought this, my FT70DR. What was my favorite for this course? My favorite segment of this course was learning how to, what a Simplex, first of all, what a Simplex was. And I also wanted to know how to program my Baofeng. And in this course, why it's important to take this course, you won't be lost. So I hope you guys do take this course, and I hope you enjoy this course. 73.